and gentlemen, girls and boys, for our grand finale, we are going to bring up many more birds on stage. So let's get started. First pair of pelicans from Africa, the great white pelicans. Next pair from India, the spot-billed pelicans. The next three pelicans come all the way from Europe, our Dalmatian pelicans. Hurry up, guys! Now, so far we only have pelicans on stage, but that's not all. We'll be joined by our long-legged beauties, the greater flamingos.
The pelican doesn't want
Last
them.
but not least, let's not forget our beautiful fly pass of macaws from South America. Up there and there.
Oh, wow.
Fantastic fight. There you have it, our grand finale of birds. Can we give them a big hand? And with that, we've come to the end of the show. We certainly hope you've all enjoyed it. In a few moments' time after we usher these birds back home, there will be a photography session happening right here on stage with our other group of flamingos. If you're interested, do stay on for that. Now, on behalf of our sponsors, the Singapore Press Holdings Foundation, do continue to have a wonderful day in the park. But before you leave, remember to look around you and take all your belongings with you. Thank you and goodbye.